I always give the people what they want. Always, always, always. So a few people ask me on the video that I posted last night regarding me hitting the 7 figures. They asked me, Landra, please, can you just do this in English for us as well? So here we go. I've started 12th December last year. So from the 12th of December last year until today, every little earning that I've earned with Love Good, if you calculate everything together, I hit my first million within Love Good. Love Good paid me in this 11 months. Love Good paid me 1 million rand. 1 million rand. And you know why it's possible for us in South Africa to hit the million faster? It's because the dollar, it's 17 times more than 1 rand. So for us here in South Africa to take opportunities like this and to run with it and to give it your all, then you can also achieve it. If I can do it, you can do it. But I just wanted to share with you guys that yes, it wasn't always easy, but I never gave up. I never gave up. And that's why when you join this opportunity, no matter with who you join this opportunity, if you decide that you are going to make a success of this, then you will. Then you can also hit your 7 figures in Love Good. But yeah, this colored goose, 7 figures in Love Good. I am super, super grateful and humble to be the first in South Africa to hit my 7 figures within Love Good. So, like I always say, make good choices and make the choices for yourself. Okay. Bye-bye.